Man. He's here. He's here. You said you were gonna. You asked him out.
I've asked him out.
Have you asked him? Go on, go and ask him. Go and ask him.
Keep me up in the offer.
Hello. Yeah, you could
Keep
say
me up in the offer there, Charlie.
Pedo. Charlie Beach is a pedo. You're protecting a wrong. You're protecting a wrong. I'm pointing.
Is that all you've got? Is that all you've got? The crap you've read on the internet? Is that all you've got?
Well, why don't you keep me a funny, Imagine?
Because I don't want to mess around with a dirty crackhead. I don't want to go messy, my friend.
Fucking around with people's lives, mate.
That's why you're so
People have got families, bro. People are real people, bro. He's that big of a big man. He's stood behind two people, bro. Why are you doing that to me?
An incentive to stop.
You don't buzz up people's
It may
lives.
be an incentive to
You
stop.
don't buzz up people's lives. You don't buzz up people's lives, bro.
Yeah. I'm saying it may be an incentive to stop. That was all.
That's not an incentive, bro.
I'm saying it may be. It may be. It may be. It may be.
Look at the comments he's making, bro. Hey.
Not yet. Not yet. In a minute. In a
You
minute.
look, if we don't come here, we spray you up, bro.
Spray me up?
Man, all of yous, bro.
Why? What have I
All of
done?
yous, bro. Spray you up, bro.
What have I done?
Oh, because you're involved, bro. You're backing.
How am I involved?
Backing.
Right.